Okay, welcome back. Grade 12. We are still at the application of theorem 1, which is proportionality. Here we are dealing with proportionality. Proportionality. Now, we are given this problem here. This problem is just this figure, as you can see it, is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D, in such a way that P is any point on side BC. This is your P, it's any point of side BC of quadrilateral ABCD, a straight line through P, parallel to AB, It's parallel to AB, intersects at Q. This straight line intersects at Q. You see that? It forms a QP parallel to AB and a straight line through P again, parallel to BD, which is this one, intersects DC at R. So we are required to prove that QR is parallel to AD. So in this case, we have QP. In other words, what is given for us here, and I want to clarify something here. We are given that AB is parallel to QP, as well as BD is parallel to PR. Then we are required to prove that QR is parallel to AD. QR is parallel to AD. Now, coming to proof, we start with the statement and coming with the reason. If you can check, we have two triangles that are going to link us to get to QR parallel to AD. Which triangle? Triangle ABC and triangle BDC. Right, let's start in triangle ABC. What do we have there? We have ABC. You see, in ABC, you know that AB is parallel to QP. So you can conclude by saying CP over PB is equals to CQ over QA. The reason for that is the line parallel to one side of a triangle. This is the reason. The reason for this is line parallel to one side of a triangle. What triangle are we speaking of? We're speaking of ABC. So the line parallel to one side of a triangle is going to divide this into proportion. Which line is that? Is QP. You see? Now we come to another case number 2. This was the first case. The second case would be consider triangle. Now we are in this triangle BDC. can conclude by saying that CP over PB is equals to CR over RD. What is that reason? It's line parallel to one side of triangle BDC. We are being specific in this case. Therefore, we can see that we have a common ratio here. This ratio is common to this one. CP over PB is common. So we can conclude by saying that CQ over QA is equals to CR over RD. What could be the problem of that? Yes, the problem is they are both common to, both equals to, they both equal to CP over PB. If you can check this proportionality, it's CQ over QA is equals to CR over RD. What does that mean? This tells you that this QR is parallel to AD. Therefore, QR is parallel to AD. You have proved that. This is all the logic that is required of you to prove the theorem 1 of proportionality. I'll see you in the next videos, grade 12. Please keep on practicing. Take other problems and do the same thing. You are going to find that they are always almost correlating to one another. I'll see you in the next videos, in the other practice sessions. Then keep on practicing and do not forget to like, subscribe and share it to other learners. I'll see you in the next videos. Uncle Pythagoras will see you. Bye-bye.